Hey there, what's going on YouTube? Here is Same Tutorials back with another video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover your WhatsApp data files right back into your Android device. So we start right after the intro. Alright guys, here we're coming back into the tutorial. So this tutorial actually is going to be done with free APK files, not that free, but yeah, these are the main two, which is ES File Explorer and our GB WhatsApp. So we obviously know every GB WhatsApp user or every unofficial WhatsApp user knows he can't back up his data files to his Google Drive. So I showed you how to do that in this video, which is right here. This video, I showed you how to do that in this video. So when you finish watching this video guys, those of you who have watched is good, and when you finish watching the video, you're going to actually know how to back up your GB WhatsApp right onto your Google Drive. And now when you back up that, you cannot just restore that easily as a normal WhatsApp. You cannot just restore because it can't, GB WhatsApp can't synchronize with your WhatsApp, with your Google Drive account, pardon guys. So to do that, you must follow this trick I'm going to show to you right now. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel guys, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment and share the ideas to your friends guys. So let's jump and dive into the tutorial. So first off, I'm going to show you my WhatsApp, my GB WhatsApp. You can see I have chats already, which are here. I have chats here. So I have already done the backup of this GB WhatsApp folder, of the GB WhatsApp data files. I've already done the backup to my Google Drive using what is shown in this tutorial right here. So if you haven't done so, make sure you've done this. Okay, what I do next now, I'm going to uninstall GB WhatsApp and I'm going to delete its data files in my internal storage. So let's dive into that. So come on to my files, which is this. Okay. Oh, so before that, let me just uninstall the GB WhatsApp from the settings, system settings. So system settings, and alright, here app and notification, and yes, my GB WhatsApp. So let me just go to see all the 133 apps. Okay, so I'll search for my GB WhatsApp. In your case, it can be any other unofficial WhatsApp, so you just search for it. Since I got WhatsApp installed, this is the GB WhatsApp right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall this. Alright, I've uninstalled GB WhatsApp, and now I'm going to go into my files and delete its user files right there. So come on to internal storage. This is the GB WhatsApp folder right here. So you press and hold and then I click delete. Okay, so that has been done for my fresh guys. So now it's gonna be as I don't have any GB WhatsApp on my phone, I don't have any GB WhatsApp installed anywhere on my mobile device, so I'll be starting everything from afresh. It will be like I'm starting everything from afresh, knowing I have already done my backup of my GB WhatsApp files onto my Google Drive. So you can actually access the GB WhatsApp folder from your Google Drive, which I'm going to show you from here, which is this. This is my GB WhatsApp folder. You can see everything is there. I already did the backup. Yeah, I already did the backup. So unfortunately guys, you cannot download folder directly from Google Drive. That's where our web browser is going to intervene. Any web browser can be used. I prefer Chrome because it's a Google made app, so it's going to be easy accessible. You can use Phoenix, Opera, Firefox, any one of your choice, but I'm going to be using Chrome. So you can see I can't download this folder. You cannot see download option right here, but what I can do, I can download a file. As you can notice, Google Drive can't download folders. I know most of you have noticed that. Okay, so I'm gonna access my Google Drive account in my web browser. So I launch my web browser, which is Chrome, which is this. Okay, so search for Google Drive, which is this. Okay, make sure you go to this link, drive.google.com. I'll leave the link in the video description, so make sure you check that out. Okay, so I'm gonna change the account because it's not the one I'm going to be using. Okay, alright guys, I've logged into my Google Drive account right in my web browser. As you can see, these are the files we saw earlier in the Google Drive mobile app. So what I'm going to do here is what all of you are going to do right here is you're going to come on this three dot icon here, not this first one, this first one over here, not the second one, pardon, this first one, which is on your Chrome and not in the web application display. So you click this one and then you come on to request a desktop site right here. So wait for that to load. It's loading. Left some few seconds. Left on some few seconds. Okay, so once you're here right now, you just click on your folder. You can zoom in. Let me zoom in and show you the folder in question. Okay, so here is it. So just click the folder. Click the folder. Let me zoom out so you can see clearly what I'm doing. Zoom a little bit in. So you see now there's nothing displayed. So when I click the GB WhatsApp folder I back up earlier, I come right here, this three dot right here, and then you can now see downloads because we are in a desktop site. So on the desktop the download is not restricted like on the mobile, so that's why we needed the browser to access our Drive account from there and then download our folder. But note, this folder is going to be downloaded in a zip format, and we're going to use the third app I spoke of earlier to extract this folder from the zip. Okay, so I'm going to download it right now. Click on download. See zipping, preparing download, zipping right here. Wait for it to zip. Okay, the zip is completed and immediately you're gonna see your download is gonna start right immediately. Okay, so this here downloading file, and click on details. Okay, you can see this is the download going on right here. That's the download going on, guys. So we wait for this to download, and make sure you to wait for that to download because that's our GB WhatsApp file we're gonna be using. This where all our database, all our stickers, all our images, all our videos is actually located. So this is a very crucial step in this tutorial. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna, since that it has been downloaded in my internal storage, I'm gonna access my internal storage now using this ES File Explorer. Don't worry guys, the link to the application will be given in the video description, though I know some of you already have the application. And notice the application, you can't use only this application, you can use any unzipping application of your choice, that's your option, but I prefer this one because it's really simple to do it. So I'll click on the application. Okay, now I'm not gonna update right now. Click on the application and access my internal storage. Okay, So come on to downloads, and here is the GB WhatsApp. Here is it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extract it. Come on to extract to current path, which is this. It's gonna extract in this folder where we are in, that is the download folder. So extract, that's it guys. There's a folder right here. You can see media databases backup. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this folder. Okay, and then just click copy. And paste it in the root directory, in the phone's root directory. That is where the applications rate. That's where application actually has access to your storage. So I'm going to paste it right here. Note, be careful, yours can be your SD card. It depends on the drive access, on the write access of your mobile apps. So I paste my internal storage because this is the option that's available for Android 5 and above. In Android 4 and below, you can do this. It can be stored in your SD card. So from Android 5 and above, some devices allow us to paste to applications are allowed to read only from your internal storage. So I'm gonna click on paste it right here. Okay, that's it there. Now what I'm going to do is, oh no, alright, and go back. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install my GB WhatsApp back. Which is this. So I'll click on it, install. Okay, say, do you want to install this application? It does not require any access, so I'm going to just click install to install the application right away. So wait for some seconds. Waiting for the installation to complete. Okay, the installation is complete. I'm gonna keep this APK. Oh, scanning for viruses, that's a boring step. Okay, that's done, complete. So I'm just gonna click on done right here. Start on to access it from my home screen directly. So is it, draw this guy. Okay, this is it guys. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open it as every new installed app. Just click it to open. You're going to sign as you sign in normally for your WhatsApp or your GB WhatsApp. So then give it the permission. And note guys, don't click on this restore, because if you click on restore, it's going to give you an error return message, which is this. You can see you can't find backup in SD card, GB WhatsApp. So don't click on this. It is not necessary. Just click on agree and continue. Put in your number. Okay, just put in your number for the verification. Waiting for the verification SMS. Okay, and then it's easy. Verify a number. WhatsApp can automatically detect your verification code if you allow WhatsApp to view SMS. So I'm going to allow this, so the verification is going to be easier. And the message has arrived, the verification code. So I'll just mark this as read. To find a backup, this is okay. Even if you click on continue, it's not going to do anything, guys, because GB WhatsApp can be synchronized with Google Drive. So let's click on that now. Okay, you can see restore your messages and media from your phone's internal storage. If you don't restore now, you won't be able to restore later. That's actually right. And this folder, this backup file, is our GB WhatsApp folder we downloaded from our Google Drive. So guys, this is a trick in it. This is a trick in restoring your GB WhatsApp data back into your phone. So I'm just gonna click on restore. It's not even going to take up to a minute. %. Alright, so it has been restored successfully. So I'm just gonna click on next, and I put in my name. Just wait for some seconds. Okay, so you can see everything is done. So just close this as a. Alright guys, this is it. You can see, let me turn back the dark mode on so you can see it was as before. Okay guys, these are the messages that were there earlier, and you can see they're actually right there. So guys, this is how you actually restore your GB WhatsApp data files right onto your phone storage, or right onto your Android device, any one of your choice. So guys, this is the trick, as simple as it is. Let's just recapitulate some steps. What you do first is you back up your GB WhatsApp data files using this tutorial. The link will be provided in the description, or you can find it on the above card right up there. So what you do is you back up your files. Once your backup is complete, once your backup is, it's very important to back up your files, because you don't know when you can lose your phone, or when you can have complications with your phone, or you might be affected by some viruses, and you just need to clean up the storage. So once you back up your files, you download it using the trick I gave. Note, you can't download the Google Drive application, so you access your Drive account from your web browser. So once on your web browser, you click on the desktop site, you request for a desktop site, and once you're there, you download your GB WhatsApp folder in a zip format. So after downloading the zip format, you extract your file, your folder, and you place it in your phone storage. And now you get to install your GB WhatsApp, and then you skip the step of restore, and then you just follow agree and continue, verify your phone number, and you restore your GB WhatsApp successfully. So guys, that's the easy step in restoring GB WhatsApp. I did this on the demand of a happy subscriber. I just did this on demand, so this is a video on demand, guys. I hope it's gonna help those who did not demand the video, because I know one day or the other you will have still requested this tutorial. So I just did this for the benefit of all. So guys, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.